Sir, based on his psychological profile, Kabako needs to be questioned by someone who can quickly gain his trust and convince him to drop his offences.
That's easier said than done.
I'm confident I can employ a sort of protocol.
Down in London, towns of go-go. With the record selection and the mirror's reflection, I'm dancing with myself. When there's no one else inside, and in the crowded lonely night. Well, I wait so long for my love vibration, and I'm dancing with myself. Dancing with myself. Dancing with myself. When there's nothing to lose and there's nothing to prove, I'm dancing with myself. Every type of girl, but your empty eyes seem to pass me by. Leave me dancing on with myself. So let's sink another drink, cause it'll give me time to think. If I had a chance, I'd ask a woman to dance, and I'll be dancing on with my...
Was Mommy recording you? Did you catch me? No, I can't stop it. I wanted to get you playing upside down. And you stop when I find out I have the camera.